Hi! Welcome back to our coding lessons. Today, we're going to learn about lists in Python. Are you ready? Let's get started. A list is a collection of items, such as numbers or strings. We can create a list in Python by putting items inside square brackets, separated by commas. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've created a list of fruits. We can access each item in the list by its index, which is a number that tells us the position of the item in the list. To access an item in a list, we use its index inside square brackets after the list name. Remember that the first item in a list has an index of 0. Let's see an example. Here, we've accessed the first item in the list, fruits, by using its index 0. The code will print the item, apple. We can add or remove items from a list using certain methods. To add an item, we use the append method. To remove an item, we use the remove method. Let's take a look. Here, we've added the item banana to the list, fruits, using the append method. Then, we've removed the item orange using the remove method. Finally, we can use loops with lists to repeat code for each item in the list. Let's see an example. Here, we've used a for loop to print each item in the list, fruits. The code inside the loop prints each item one at a time. And that's it. You've learned how to create and manipulate lists, access list items by index, add and remove list items, and use loops with lists in Python. Keep practicing and exploring new things. Programming is awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.